Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about SQL. Okay, so before knowing about SQL we should know about data and databases. Okay, so first of all I would like to say about data. Data is anything which can be stored and in digital format or physical format. Okay, so suppose my name. Okay, so my name is XYZ. Suppose my name is XYZ. My age is 18 and I live in a state Maharashtra, and there's three things. So these three things can be stored. It is XYZ is a data, 18 is my age which is also a data, and Maharashtra, it is a state which is also a data. So this can be stored. Similarly, multiple objects, multiple data of similar type can be stored, and a database can be created. Okay, so what we can conclude, like database is a collection of data. Okay, so in this data basis, so we can see like some similar data, relational data is being stored. Suppose here my name is being stored and my age is being stored. Similarly, some other student like ABC, his name, his age and his state would be stored. So that will be one kind of data which contains age and his state. Similarly, some other data which will contain employees and their suppose employees their PQR is an employee and his designation is he is in HR department and he is the lead. Okay, so this can be another data. So similar kind of data can be stored in a databases. So here in this, if we can bring some relation, it can be concluded as relational databases. Suppose this XYZ is of 18 years and it can be a part of some company where is an employee. Okay, so that we can bring some relations between databases, between these tables. Okay, so here we will see what is DBMS. DBMS is database management system. Okay, so database are made up of schemas, and schemas are the subset of databases. Okay, so schema is a subset of database. Suppose here I have a database named My Documents. Okay, this is a database. Okay, database My Document. Okay, in this My Document I have stored few data like my personal documents, okay, my educational documents and my office related documents. Okay, so this is my personal, okay, this is my educational and this is my office related documents. Okay, so here each individual part is a schema. Okay, this personal is a schema which is a subset of database. This is the entire database, its subset is personal. Then educational documents is a subset of, and means my personal document database. Similarly, office. In that wise we can bring like personal can be further divided into this educational part can be further divided into my school documents, my junior college documents, my college documents. Okay, so this brings to us powering on as databases. Okay, now we will see like what is SQL. Okay, SQL is a structured query language. It is a language using which we can communicate with our databases. We can store our data in database, we can manipulate the data and we can retrieve the data which are stored in our databases. Okay, so all the databases means all the data which are stored in the database are of relational data. Okay, so relational databases use SQL as their standard database language. Few of the examples are PLSQL, MS SQL and others. These are the few flavors of SQL. Like PLSQL is owned by Oracle. Okay, Oracle has few versions, which is Oracle 19c, 18c, 12c and 11g. Okay, the latest one is 19c. Now we will see what are data types in Oracle. Okay,